All right, so here we go. We're gonna knock this one out real quick. People are always asking me how I keep my jewelry clean. What do I do? Because it's always looking good. So what you gotta do is you gotta go get you an ultrasonic cleaner. You know what I mean? You can pick them up at Harbor Freight. You can pick them up on Amazon. You can pick them up maybe some jewelry stores, but that's what we got right here. You're gonna put some water in it, dish detergent, that's all, something that can cut the grease. So what I got right now that I'm about to clean up, I got my necklace that I wear every day. I got my ring, the Cuban, that I wear every day. And then I got my band for my iWatch. You know what I mean? And I wear that joint every day too. So, like I said, you get your hot water in there, you put a little dish detergent in there, that's all you need. Now, I haven't cleaned this watch band in ever. So, like I said, you get it in there, and then you hit go. Look at that. And you just let it run for a little bit. And all the dust and dirt and grime and oil and lotion, all of that's gonna come right up off of there. That's it. Less than a minute, it's done. Got the ring out. You know what I mean? It's all shined up. I don't even have to polish it. You just throw it in there, let it do what it do, and there you go. Same thing with the necklace, That's all there is to it. Quick, simple.